if you're paying attention to what's going on in the world, God forbid you're actually measuring and mapping every market as opposed to the NASDAQ, which everybody's long, that's what you got. I mean, there's a net short position, of course, in the NASDAQ, but that's just to offset the bubble that is the gross long positioning of the U.S. components. By the way, we do have a great chart of that here in this deck, just so that you can roll your eyes around some of this new data that we have. Slide 75, guys. The global economy is not 6 companies, by the way. The global economy still includes big places like Australia. Australia is not the biggest place, but Germany's pretty big, and it broke trend and is breaking down again this morning as well. But look at this. This is a great chart, isn't it? I mean, I think most of our content is just tremendous. I mean, but that chart is, like, again, the top, those stocks, then it's just Apple and Amazon together. And on the left side, again, these aren't stocks. This is like the FTSE, okay? This is like the DAX. These are stock markets of major economies, okay? Now, if you don't, or I don't know that was a bubble at the end of August, clearly I'm going to continue to remind you of that. And by the way, Apple looks like you should short it now. So again, at the end of the day, I told you to buy it. Now I'm going to tell you to sell it. And then I'm going to tell you to buy it. And I'm going to tell you to sell it. And eventually I'm just going to tell you to keep selling it, okay? If this sucker breaks down the way that it could, you know, that sucker is one mother of a bubble. It's the biggest bubble in the history of bubbles, okay? So again, don't give me your bullshit about, well, it's not like the dot-com bubble because these companies are profitable. How many times have you heard that? They got Mr. Wonderful. I guess he's out of the clink or whatever was going to happen to him. He's back. He's going to tell you about that. You're going to, I need to be long the secular growers, the cash flow. I mean, come on, guys. Come on.